Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from footer. So here you can see here the footer and then go back to the Shopify homepage. And then here, let's go to online store and followed by themes. And once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on these three dots. Then click on edit default theme content. Go ahead and click on it, and here on the filter items on their search bar, go ahead and type on powered. And here you're gonna see links, and then you can change the name on whatever you like. For me, I'm gonna go on Pure Salmon, and then hit save, and then let's go back and refresh the page. And there you go. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.